Very good afternoon. Fourth match of the day between Punjab versus KKR. Very first.
है ताकत दुश्मन की आई है आफत। तू लगा दाव, तू लगा दाव, तू लगा दाव, तू लगा पेच, तू दिखा जिगर, तू दिखा तेज।
Ball. That's a good shot for four. Punjab pasting 4 runs on very first delivery of captain. Unfortunately, the first ball which was converted into a boundary was considered as dead as the ball. Now the first delivery from the captain, and that's a no ball.
भाई जमीन में गड्ढा करने की नहीं है।
0 ball, 2 run on the board. Very unfortunate for the batsman. First ball for the boundary now. 0 ball, 2 run. Oh, that's out on a free hit. Delivery is a free hit. 1 ball, 2 run. So 1 on the bat, 1 ball, 2 run. Sajid, oh, captain 1 again. 2 extra deliveries this time, 3 run. 1 ball, 3 run for none. Again a no ball. That's a good shot. A foxing shot by the batsman, converting dot into 2 runs.
एकच बॉल आताचा नो आहे ना, नो +1.
5 run on the board on 1 ball. Captain has put it
एक बॉल
3 extra runs in very first over. Punjab star batsman Sohan, KKR captain Sajid with his next delivery is still 4 more to go. The second delivery from the Sajid, and it full toss out of the ground. Batsman lofted the shot. That was a free hit. No run. Two ball, 5 run on the board, 6 run on the board, and this time bat.
तू लगा दाव, तू लगा दाव, तू लगा दाव, तू लगा पेच, तू दिखा जिगर, तू दिखा तेज, दिखा तेज। लाखों धड़कन की जान है तू, लाखों के दिल की शान।
Considering out, lofted once again. Practice make the man perfect. 3 delivery, 3 lofted shots.
3 बॉल 5.
5 run first down of Punjab star. 3 ball, 5 run. This time tap it for single. 4 ball, 6 run. Last delivery to go. Captain Sajid KKR. Last delivery. That's a good shot. And run out. That's a gone.
तू लगा दाव, तू लगा दाव, तू लगा दाव, तू लगा पेच,
Good
तू
shot.
दिखा।
But unable to complete his run. Not executed well. And this time 1 over, 6 run on the board. Very first over, captain of ours KKR has managed to control the Punjab side in spite of giving 3 extras. Now the new bowler Karan with the second over. Captain Vishal is on the ground. Rahul is in the non-strike. Very first ball, and this time 1 run. 7 run on the board after the first delivery of first over. Punjab star against KKR Warrior. Oh yeah. फिर सुपर हो रहा है. Tap it for a single. 8 run on the board. Second over. Karan with his delivery. Rahul tried and totally confused with the ball. A little bit interruption in the ground. Umpire has considered a no ball. Waist height
झाले 9.
9 run on the board. The
Don't ball
delivery,
now.
last delivery was considered as a no ball. Karan with his ball full toss this time, and what a mistake done by the fielder. That was clearly lofted and out of the ground, but fielder has put his hand and done a one run for the last delivery. 12 run on the board. Karan with his last delivery. Vishal Javale on the batting. And good shot for 1 run. (13 run on the board after the execution of 2 over.
Over.
2 over 13 run on the board. A beautiful morning.
अभिजीत
A
भैया
match, fourth match of the day between KKR Warriors and the Punjab Star. Punjab captain Vishal Javale is on the crease. He still managed to put 13 run on the board after the execution of 2 over. Still 2 over left for the inning. Now the new bowler.
नूर
A new bowler on the ground, Mr. Ravi Pawar, playing his debuting in this IPL. Vishal Javale will going to face him. 2 over 13 for 2 lost. First ball of Ravi Pawar to Vishal Javale. First delivery executed for 4.
तू लगा दाव, तू लगा दाव, तू लगा दाव, तू लगा पेच, तू दिखा जिगर, तू दिखा तेज, लाखों धड़कन की जान है तू, लाखों के दिल की शान है तू लगा जोर, तू लगा जोर, तू लगा जोर, तू मचा शोर. एक
Bad. That's very bad. That's very bad from the fielder. First delivery for 4. 17 run on the board. Totally misjudged on the long on player. First delivery for 4. 17 run. First ball for 4. Punjab Star 18 run on the board now. A little bit. Last delivery was no ball. (19 run. First ball. Now the second ball of Ravi Pawar. Rahul from Punjab Star will face the second delivery of Ravi Pawar. Tap it. Tried it for a single. Well collected from the KKR captain Sajid. Audience on the ground. 20 run on the board. Vishal Javale is batting, trying to paste as much as run possible on the board. The third delivery. There is a sound of a no. We have the equipment to check the no delivery, and that was a no delivery given by the umpire again. (23 on the board. The new bowler. New bowler. That's again a no. Already D. (25 on the board after the TD delivery. Mr. Ravi Pawar has given more than 15 runs. Bowler has given 12 runs. 2 deliveries still left to go. Now the coming delivery is a free delivery. Rahul is on the batting again. Interference. That's a wide delivery. 26 run for Punjab Star. KKR Warrior. Captain has taken the review for the not out. Umpire has given the out. Now we have a equipment and we can check the facilities available at the Incredible Premier League. The fourth match is going on between Punjab Star and KKR Warrior. Checking for the no run out. (27 run on the board. Bowler is still unable to complete his over. Now the delivery and out of the ground. First wicket for the bowler.
तेरी है ताकत दुश्मन की आई है आफत तू लगा दाव तू लगा दाव तू लगा दाव तू लगा पेच तू दिखा जिगर तू दिखा तेज लाखों धड़कन की जान है तू
And a celebration in a different way. Taken the first wicket.
27 झाले 27.
27 run on the board. Last over. First ball for a D.
बॉलर का नाम क्या?
First ball for a single. Now full toss. And 2 run. Third delivery of the bowler. Tap it. Faraz has taken the first run very fast. Barana distribution on the ground to the team sitting in the pavilion. Faraz will face the fourth delivery of the bowler. And this time, tap it for a single and 1 run. 31 on the board. The last delivery, that's wide, and there is a chance of a run out, but missed throw by the keeper. 33 on the board, last delivery to go. Captain. Oh, that's a very bad shot, unable to convert into 1 or a 2. That's out of the ground, lofted shot by the batsman.
तेरी है ताकत दुश्मन की आई है आफत तू लगा दाव तू लगा दाव तू लगा दाव तू लगा पेच तू दिखा जिगर तू दिखा तेज लाखों धड़कन की जान है तू लाखों के दिल की शान है तू
34 run needed to win this fourth match of the Incredible Premier League of today's morning.
पासवर्ड बोलो.
The last stage of this Incredible Premier League, playing since last 2 Sundays. This is the third and the final Sunday. Today we are going to witness the eliminator final and the execution of this very beautiful tournament, mainly organized by Mr. Abhijit Pawar, Mr. Deepak and other organizing member. The first delivery from Punjab Star captain. No, and that's a ball. That's a very first delivery. Lavej, the main batsman.
तेरी है ताकत दुश्मन की आई है आफत तू लगा दाव तू लगा दाव तू लगा दाव तू लगा पेच तू दिखा जिगर तू दिखा तेज लाखों धड़कन की जान है तू लाखों के दिल की शान है तू लगा जोर
The KKR team is moving out of the ground towards pavilion because of the first delivery of Vishal Javale. Now the new batsman, nearly 6.1 inch in height. Second delivery of Punjab Star captain Mr. Vishal. and tap it for the two. 2 run on the board after 2 delivery. एक दिया 2 दिया. Sorry, error, margin of error, 1 run. 2 ball, 1 run. The third delivery of the captain. 3 ball, 2 run on the board. Captain versus captain and
तेरी है ताकत दुश्मन की आई है आफत तू लगा दा
the Punjab captain has defeated KKR Warriors captain Sajid. 2 wicket in this over for Vishal. Karan, the new batsman, after the loss of 2 wickets. Vishal Jawale, most probably the last ball of the over. And that's out. The third wicket in this over. Our captain has taken the responsibility and prove it the worth by taking 3 wickets in the power play.
Sajid.
Punjab Star. Punjab. Today is the day for Punjab Star. First match they win. The second match, second inning, defending 34 runs, 3 wickets in the very first over. Over executed in only 2 runs. 1 over 2 run for 3 wickets in the very first over. Over executed in only 2 runs. 1 over 2 run for 3 wickets. That was previous delivery was a no ball. Thanks to the organizing team provided the equipment to check. So a fair game should be executed. Now the last delivery, 3 wickets already taken by the bowler.
3 wicket झाले 3 wicket.
Vishal with his last delivery. The last delivery is free hit. Zahir is batting. The last delivery and oh, that's a well show of a fielding by vice captain Mr. Rajendra Sunar. This time, a solitary effort from the fielder. So far, so good for Punjab this time. Sunil Chalke.
आ रहे हैं चल के
Sunil Chalke, ex-captain of Punjab Star. Zahir, the superstar of KKR Warrior, relating similarity with Andrew Russell. The first ball and that was but a good job of fielding there. A wonderful all-round performance in this delivery. Good ball, good bat, good field. What a show this time. 5 runs on the board. Sunil Chalke with the second delivery. Oh, good shot and well stopped by the bowler. It can be a 2 and it is a 2. 2 run this time. Players are putting their 100% effort. What a shot that was. That
तेरी है ताकत दुश्मन की आई है आफत तू लगा दा
was a brilliant beauty. That's a beauty by the batsman. That was the beauty. That was a beauty. Again this time and what a catch, what a catch. What a catch, what a catch that was. Rajendra Sunar. A solitary performance from the fielder. Mr. Ravi Pawar on the batting. Sunil Chalke with his ball. First delivery of Ravi, and that was a great tap shot, but for a D. After the 2 over, still needed 22 runs in 10 deliveries. New bowler from Punjab Star Farhad Chaudhary. Batsman Zahir, the Andrew Russell of KKR Warrior, is preparing for the show. Mr. Zahir step out is the biggest offense in this format. The first delivery of the bowler, a little bit of dance from the batsman. This time a chance of a run out, and was a peel, and umpire's decline. 1 run, 1 ball. 13 run on the board. Mr. Ravi on the batting. 9 ball, 21 run still needed to go in 9 deliveries. Farhad Chaudhary with his second ball. Ravi on the strike. And a ball, oh, and a miss for a 1 run. Zahir is trying to steal the run, but no response from the non-striker end. 2 ball, 2 run, 14 on the board, 20 run still needed in 8 deliveries. Now the third ball. Zahir managed it for a tap and 1 run. सब बॉल नो गिरेगी. 3 ball, 3 run. That 4th delivery, and again a miss by the batsman. 4 ball. The dot is the biggest offense in this format. No wide. 4 ball, 3 run. Last delivery of Farhad Chaudhary. 19 is still needed in 6 ball. Punjab. The days of Punjab today. Umpire has given the no. This time a chance. The last delivery. Zahir is batting. Faraz is bowling. The last ball of the over. Switch it, tried it, and failed to convert it. This is only 1 run. This is the game, bro. After the completion of 3 over 18 on the board. 16 run needed in 5 deliveries. 16. 5 ball, 16 needed. Punjab is putting their confidence on the new bowler. A bowler. Zahir. Using the depth of the crease. 5 deliveries, 16 needed. First ball, Zahir tried, put, but only able to convert in 1 run. One ball, 1 run.
तेरी है ताकत दुश्मन की आई
Burden
है
of excitement from Punjab captain.
तू लगा दाव तू लगा दाव तू लगा दाव तू लगा पेच तू दिखा जिगर तू दिखा तेज दिखा तेज लाखों दर्शकों की जान है तू लाखों के
That's
दिल
the back
की
show
शान
from
है
KKR Star.
तू लगा जो
KKR Warrior, sorry.
तू लगा जो
नाम क्या है?
Mr. Yogesh from KKR Warrior. Two ball to go. 20 run on the board. 2 ball, 14 needed. Oh, tried, failed, 1 run.
ओवर 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 4 बॉल हो 4 बॉल एक में 13
That's a wide ball and throw. That's a bad show from the keeper. Keeper is under excitement. Punjab, second consecutive win of Punjab. 12 runs needed in one delivery. The last delivery to go. That's a 1 run. And Punjab this time, Punjab start